Former Prime Minister Bruce Golding in motor vehicle crash. Alright then subscribers, former Prime Minister Bruce Golding at home resting after he was involved in a motor vehicle accident in Olaba Road, St. Catherine Friday, which was yesterday. In a statement released by Bruce Golding's daughter, everybody alright, all who involved in the motor vehicle accident alright. And that's good because it could have been worse if I get a boy Bruce Golding lose his life or him in a critical condition, so can't get to that. When you really get enough information on the question of your subscribers, so as soon as we get some more information, then we can bring it to you. You see me? Next thing, your subscribers, Mavado son verdict to be appealed by high-profile attorney, high-profile lawyer Peter Champagne, and everybody know Peter Champagne knows how a big shot like that. Well, they might appeal for Mavado son guilty verdict, you see me? And everybody knows that Mavado son was convicted for illegal possession of firearm and arson. Him and co-accused Andre basically away upon them sentencing, which scheduled on March the 10th. So they basically want try to appeal before the time comes. Majah arrested and slapped with several charges related to curb via subscribers. Based on information I get via subscribers, Majah has been arrested in the United States on some serious charges. Jeb was subject to charge for felony, terroristic threat, kidnapping and battery. It was given a bond of 16,720 US. That's about 2.5 million Jamaican or maybe more. Majah has been arrested for 1 count of felony kidnapping, 1 count of felony terroristic threat and 1 count of simple battery. Majah must think say yo, he have to hook my boss because Kirby did tattoo him name on her skin, but no, probably make sure I try to get back at him by charging him for everything when the 2 are. The last time I talk about him subscriber Rytikal because he get locked up in Bull Bay police station for illegal firearm. In the report, them said the vehicle where Rytikal that traveling was searched by the cops and a legal firearm was found. So in the report, them say lawman was patrolling the area when they noticed several months to ask suspicious and on the nose from police who knock away, they were checking out, they were search, So a search was carried out and that led to the siege of a Taurus 380 firearm along with 12 rounds of ammunition. Boy, I don't know. Every time a dance artist break out or when a man become a dance artist, he feel like say he will take up badness. Much an interview with Rytikal via subscriber and Rytikal does seem cool, he seem like a calm person, so I don't know how they lock me for this or he might make something to him. People who know say Rytikal are the 3rd popular dancehall artist where get locked up with gun in the last 4 months. Rytikal management team kinda tight-lipped about the situation, you see me? Them not talk much and them already have a lawyer in place for deal with the situation. Rytikal I say yo, free Rytikal, but the man if you love for them gun thing, seeing like say you find some dance artist, then start pirate bad man and behave like a gunman and I get gun and them thing there. And like say you a legal gun or illegal gun, you see me? If you feel like say you need a gun, get something legal, you not have to get an illegal gun and pirate about gunman if you try to turn your career, try to bring anything. But nah, this no money, but as facts, every time a dancer break up, majority of them always find some gunman friend, you see me? And majority of them always try to some gun at some point in their life or at some point in their career. So people just constantly want to think about this, you see me? Share the video, subscribe if you want to turn the post notification bell and smash the like button.